Hello, welcome to Travel Closely informational video. Today, I'm sharing the 5 most important packing tips according to an Emirates flight attendant. If you love to travel, you know that packing smart and light is key. Let's dive in. Importance of packing smart. Packing light not only saves you from those pesky overweight baggage fees but also gives you extra room for souvenirs from your travels. Trust me, every inch counts. Goodie Bag Essentials. First up, keep a goodie bag at the ready. Flight attendant Natasha Faux recommends having a Ziploc bag stocked with travel-sized essentials. You can either make your own with your favorite products or grab a ready-made kit, like this Aesop set from Nordstrom. Packing list prep. Before you pack, create a packing list. Writing down what you need ensures you won't forget any essentials. Keep it simple and adjust as needed based on your destination. Assemble a travel capsule collection. Next, assemble a travel capsule collection. Natasha suggests pre-planning your outfits with versatile pieces. Think basics like black pants, white jeans, and a jean jacket. Check out these travel-ready options from Lafleur. They're wrinkle-resistant and machine-washable. Stylish activewear. Now, let's talk about stylish activewear. Packing pieces that can be worn for multiple occasions saves space. Natasha loves to wear leggings and sneakers for exploring the city and hitting the gym. These best-selling Zella leggings from Nordstrom are perfect for both activities. Statement accessories. Don't forget to add a pop of color to your outfits. Natasha suggests packing a pair of statement earrings. Grab an affordable pair, like these bobble bar earrings, so you won't worry about misplacing your favorite ones while traveling. Stay organized with packing cubes. Stay organized with packing cubes. Natasha swears by them to maximize space. Use them to keep your suitcase neat and fill in gaps with socks and accessories. I recommend the TravelWise packing cube system. It has different sizes to fit all your needs. The art of folding clothes. Here's a quick tip on folding clothes. Roll your clothes instead of folding them flat. This technique not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. Give it a try next time you pack. So there you have it. With these 5 packing tips from a flight attendant and a few extra hacks, you'll be packing like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.